How to fix Spotify stopping music when playing games. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, you'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just search for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage option. Then go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget, the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.